Boys and girls, I forgot. I wanted to show you something. I know that Mrs. Barolero showed you a really strange place that a bird was building a nest. But I'm going to show you even a funnier place that he built a nest. Okay? Now let's look over here. Don't know if the mom bird's in there. I really don't want to disturb her because the babies were born. And I'm going to show you, oh, I see the mom outside. And I'm going to show you a picture of them. But let me just show you where the nest is. That is my son's basketball helmet. Not basketball. I can't get words right today. That is his motorcycle helmet. And if I shut this, then the mother will go back and feed her babies. Because I'm going to give you a still picture of the babies because my son took it yesterday. He's taller.